This looks like a kofta curry, but it is not. It is a famous South Indian dish. Let us see what it is. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube kitchen. So this dish is made out of vada. I already have the vada batter ready. If you would like to know how I make my vadas, the full recipe is available on my YouTube channel. Kindly check it out. So let's head to the kitchen to make this lovely dish. We will grind coriander powder 1 tablespoon, red chili powder 1 tablespoon, jeera 1/4 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon, few garlic cloves, coconut grated 1/4 cup, poppy seeds 1 teaspoon to a fine paste. For tempering, I have taken 15 shallots cut into thin pieces, 1 tomato cut into fine pieces, mustard seeds, urad dal 1/4 teaspoon, fenugreek few grains, red chili flakes, saunf 1/4 teaspoon and whole spices. Let's grind all these together, adding little water to a fine paste. Adding water. Let's heat the tawa with little oil and splatter urad dal and mustard seeds, adding fenugreek and saunf to it, all the whole spices. Then goes in the shallots, which is thinly cut. Let us saute all this well, adding garlic pieces to it, red chili flakes. When I was a small girl, we had a Mudaliya family living near our house. Most of the Sunday morning, their kitchen would be filled with the most irresistible aroma. I would stand outside wondering what magic they were cooking. The aroma was so tempting. I couldn't resist telling them the smell is so good. They immediately handed me a bowl full of that dish. I still remember thanking them with all my heart, and from then on, whenever they prepared this curry, a share would always come to our home. That dish was none other than vada curry, soft vadas soaking in a spicy, flavorful gravy, a taste that became part of my childhood memories. Unlike the usual curries, this one was different. Crispy dal vadas broken into pieces and soaked in a spicy, flavorful gravy. The smell of fennel, saunf, the cinnamon, and curry leaves would travel through the whole street. Today I am going to share that same recipe with you, the one I fell in love with as a child. A dish with history, with warmth, and with so much flavor. I have added the ground masala and little water and salt to it. Let us cook that for 2 to 3 minutes. The masala is fried well now and it is thickening beautifully. You can see the little oil starting to separate and the aroma is filling the kitchen. This is the perfect stage to move to the next step. I am adding tamarind paste now. You can adjust the quantity as per your taste. Along with that, I have added tomatoes also. So make sure that curry doesn't turn too sour. It should have a balanced flavor. Adding little more water for the gravy as we will be adding vadas and vadas should get soaked in the gravy. Now let's prepare vada. Adding oil for frying the vadas. Just making small vadas for this curry. Let's fry each one of them. For this vada, I had soaked chana dal and a little tur dal for about 2 hours and washed and grind coarsely with ginger, garlic and chilies along with little salt. And now I am frying them into small vadas. There are also different ways to prepare this curry. Some people steam the vada balls instead of frying them. Each method gives its own taste, so you can try whichever you like. The first batch of vadas are fried well now. Let's remove from the oil and then we'll start frying the second batch. People who are passionate about cooking always keep trying different recipes, turning one prepared food into another delicious dish. Vada curry is a perfect example of that. The second batch of vadas are also fried and ready. Meanwhile, our gravy is cooking beautifully. Let's check on it and then drop in the vadas. The curry is cooked now. Let's drop the all the fried vadas into the gravy and cook for about 2 minutes. Look at this. The vadas are soaking up all that rich and flavorful gravy. This is what makes the curry so delicious. I'm adding one green chili and little bit of coriander leaves to it. Our vada curry is ready now. Soft vadas soaked in a rich spicy gravy. This pairs perfectly with idli dosa or set dosa. Do try it at home and enjoy the flavors. Overall, it's a protein rich, wholesome curry, but deep fried vadas make it heavier, while steaming the vadas make it a little lighter and healthier. But whatever said and done, I can never replace that same taste and aroma. That remains special forever, tied to those days. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy making this vada curry at home. Happy cooking.